Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to recharge the AC system on a Volkswagen Beetle. This one is the first generation. It's from 1998 all the way until 2005. So you open the hood and right here it's the low pressure port. You need to remove the plastic cap, and now we're gonna need 700 grams of R134A Freon. What you need to do is you need to go ahead and start the engine. Now when you start the engine, you need to make sure you turn the AC button on and all the way on cold and your fan is on. This way the compressor will be able to kick in, and now you just connect the Freon to your low pressure side, and we'll be able to hear the compressor kicking in when it has enough pressure. Okay, we're adding the second can. The first one was 500 grams, but it wasn't full all the way because we leaked a little bit out, and this one is 290, and here it says 700 plus 50, so we'll be perfect there, around 700 grams. You don't want to refill it because you might cause damage to the hoses and the compressor itself. After a few minutes you should be able to hear your fans. If they're not kicking in, it's the relay that's located next to the fan on the driver's side. That's a common problem with Volkswagen Beetles. Okay guys, it works great. We also have a video about replacing the AC compressor on the Volkswagen Beetle on our channel. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.